Hello and welcome to a new way to relax and rejuvenate with our wood therapy massage tools set featuring 6 versatile pieces and soothing lavender massage oil. This kit uses ancient techniques like Gua Sha and Maderoterapia to relieve muscle tension and promote lymphatic drainage for your entire body. Each tool is carefully crafted from durable, eco-friendly beechwood to provide targeted relief on areas such as your neck, back, arms, and legs. The anti-cellulite massage roller helps reduce the appearance of cellulite while improving blood circulation and skin texture. You can enjoy radiant, youthful skin by stimulating blood flow with the Gua Sha board and massage cup. This holistic approach combines natural materials and traditional massage methods to leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Embrace the power of self-care and enhance your wellness routine at home with this complete massage kit. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.